Hi Jay, this is your unit right now, which is functioning. It's running at 20 amps, as you can see here. I haven't put the new ammeter on. I'll be putting the new ammeter on tomorrow. This unit arrived at 6:30 this evening from the courier. I've powered it up. It's running at 12 volts and 21 amps. You can see 21 amps on the other meter as well. It's bubbling along quite nicely, and according to the meter, it shows it's doing two litres of gas a minute right now. So it's going quite nicely. I'll fix everything. The pump doesn't look like it's working, and that's surprising me. I thought, oh, I'll replace the pump. I'll replace the ammeter. The solution, I'm using not a particularly concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide. But as you can see, it's bubbling away quite nicely now. 2 litres of gas a minute is definitely enough for this unit. I can produce more gas by increasing the concentration of solution. Okay, I'll get this back to you soon, and okay, I'll check the units. I'll check the cells out tomorrow to make sure everything is okay with those. I suspect they may be coated, but I'll try and get rid of some of that. I tried reverse etching today or this evening, and it seems to have worked. But I'll do a closer look tomorrow. See you, mate.